Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to look at the circumference of a circle. We know that the perimeter is the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape, but the perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. Alright, we've got a circle. The distance from the centre to the outside of the circle is called the radius. And the distance right across the circle that passes through the centre is called the diameter. Okay, to work out the circumference of the circle, which is the distance around the outside of the circle, we're going to use this rule. Circumference is equal to pi times diameter. Now the diameter, remember, is the distance right across the circle from one side to the other that passes through the centre. This number here is called pi. It is taken from the Greek alphabet. Hopefully you've come across pi before, because pi is a really special number. It is equivalent to 3.14159265358979 and so on, with lots of decimal places. In fact, the decimal places don't actually end, and there's no pattern to the decimal points as well. It is a really unique and special number. Alright, let's get into example number 1. Calculate the circumference of the circle. Well, the diameter is 60. And the rule we're going to use, circumference is equal to pi times diameter. So, we're going to go circumference is equal to pi times 60, because 60 is the diameter. Alright, let's grab a calculator and let's bring up our pi button on our calculator and go pi times 60. And we're going to get 188.4955592. Now we're going to round this sensibly to one decimal place. So we're going to round it to 188.5 because the 9 after the 4 pushes the 4 up to a 5. So 188.5 centimetres is the distance around the outside of that circle. And I've rounded my answer to one decimal point, one decimal place. Notice, if we used the pi button on our calculator, we would get an answer of 188.5. However, a lot of people like to remember pi as just 3.14, and if you chose to go 3.14 times 60, which is the diameter, you'd get an answer which is very close, 188.4. Both answers are acceptable in year 10. Right, example number 2. Calculate the circumference of this circle. Well, the rule circumference is equal to pi times diameter. But we haven't got the diameter, we've got the radius. So we need to add on another radius to make a diameter of 90 millimeters. So now we can use the rule circumference is equal to pi times diameter. So pi times 90, not pi times 45. So let's grab our calculator and go pi times 90 and get 282.74333888, and let's round our answer sensibly to 282.7 millimeters to one decimal place. Again, if you used the pi button on your calculator, you would have got 282.7, but if you chose to use pi as 3.14, you would have got 282.6. But again, both of these answers are acceptable in year 10. Right, thank you very much for watching.